Have you ever felt like life just knocked you down? Maybe you faced a big failure, a career setback, or a personal disappointment. It happens to all of us, but what matters most is how you recover. Today, we're talking about how to bounce back from setbacks and failures and turn them into stepping stones for success. Setbacks are a natural part of growth. Whether it's a failed project, a rejection, or a personal struggle, what defines you isn't the fall, it's the comeback. So, how do you rebuild after a tough time? First, acknowledge your emotions. It's okay to feel disappointed or frustrated. Suppressing those feelings only slows your recovery. Take time to reflect what went wrong. What can you learn? This isn't about blaming yourself. It's about gaining clarity. Every failure carries a lesson. Maybe you discovered a weakness you can now improve, or perhaps you realized a path that isn't right for you. Ask yourself, what did this experience teach me? Use that insight to adjust your strategy and grow stronger. Next, create a comeback plan. Break it into small, manageable steps. Progress rebuilds confidence. Maybe it's updating your skills, seeking mentorship, or simply recommitting to your goals. Small wins add up. Surround yourself with support. Talk to people who believe in you, mentors, friends, or a supportive community. You don't have to do it alone. Sometimes, just sharing your struggle lightens the load. Remember, every successful person has faced setbacks. What sets them apart is their resilience. So the next time life knocks you down, take a breath, learn the lesson, and come back even stronger. You've got this. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more mindset and growth content, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest comeback story? Let's inspire each other.